Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the FULMINARE air purifier, the perfect solution for clean and fresh air in your home or office. With its powerful Ft² true HEPA filtration system, this air purifier can effectively filter out 99.97% of particles as small as 0.01 microns, including pet dander, pollen, and smoke. Not only does it provide powerful filtration, but it also operates ultra-quietly in sleep mode, with a noise level of only 24 decibels. The real-time air quality monitoring feature ensures that you always know the quality of the air you're breathing, and the customizable timer options allow you to set the purifier to run for 2, 4, 8, 10, or 12 hours. The FULMINARE air purifier also comes with a smart child lock feature, designed to keep children and pets from tampering with the settings. And when it's time to replace the filter, the smart filter replacement reminder will let you know. And best of all, it comes with a 100% risk-free guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the FULMINARE air purifier for any reason, you can get a full refund. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your very own FULMINARE air purifier today and start breathing fresher, cleaner air.